Welcome back, guys. So in this question here, it says the length of a rectangle is 8 more than twice the width. The perimeter is 34. What are the dimensions of this rectangle? Okay, push pause and see if you can figure this out. We know that the length of this rectangle is 8 more than twice the width. So twice the width plus 8. Okay. We also know that the perimeter is 34. So perimeter is equal to 34. So just laying out what we know here so far, we are asked to find the dimensions of the rectangle. So our goal is to find the length and the width. Okay. Find the L and W. So we've got 3 variables to deal with here. Okay, just going to recall what we've talked about last time, which was the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. So let's put that down here. Perimeter is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Okay, so you have 3 variables here to worry about. If we can just narrow it down to 1 variable, we can solve the equation. Okay, so let's do a little substitution here where we can put in this value for L. Okay, and then we can put this value 34 in for P. Okay, so let's give that a try. Let's take 2 times the length. Okay, so the length is 2 times W plus 8. So multiply 2 by 2W plus 8 plus 2W equals P is 34. So filling in the value of 34 in for P. Okay, now that we have 1 variable, W, we can solve the equation. Okay, so we're going to multiply 2 times W, okay, and then we're going to multiply 2 times 8. Okay, so remember this is called distribution. So 2 times 2W is 4W plus 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, plus 2 times W equals 34. Now we can combine the like terms. We have 4W here plus 2W there. So 4 plus 2 is 6W plus the 16 here left over equals 34. So far so good. Let's isolate W. So how would you get rid of the 16? What's the opposite of plus 16? Okay, subtract 16 from both sides. The 16 cancels out. What's left is 6W is equal to 34 minus 16 is 18. Okay, ask yourself, what's the opposite of W times 6? So the opposite of times 6 is divide 6 to both sides. The 6 cancels out. What's left is W is equal to 18 divided by 6. Our width is 3. Okay, our width is 3. We're already halfway there. So now, remember our goal was to find the length and the width. Okay, so length is equal to 2 times W, which is 2 times 3 plus 8. Plus 8. Okay, so length is equal to 2 times 3 is 6 plus 8. Right? So ultimately, our length is equal to 6 plus 8 is 14. Okay, so the width of this rectangle is 3 units, the length is 14 units.